loves, welcome back to my channel. And today, I know it's been a long time. Oh my god, I miss you guys. And I know it's been a long time na hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi na-busy nga ako. So yun mga my loves, today we are going to the beach with my sister, Ate Ann, and Abby right there. So see you there.
Pack your bags, I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back, so come with me.
Oh my god, look how beautiful it is here. This is where we're gonna pay. No. Oh, not yet.
Just getting us a bridge. Oh, actually, we were stuck here for a good 30 minutes now.
Why?
Because it was a construction.
Oh. Look how beautiful. Wow. Okay, my love, we are here at the bay. Kasi the beach is closed. Imagine at 10 o'clock in the morning, the beach is closed because there's a lot of people. So, nag-detour na lang kami. Pumunta kami dito sa bay. At mag-hangout kami muna ng ilang oras. Tapos babalik kami sa beach. Kasi sabi ng girl na mag-open daw again. Papakita ko sa inyo yung bay dito. So, there you go my loves. That's the bay. Abby's right here. So, we are going to go and see how nice in here. It looks like it's nice though. I don't know if we can swim though. It's crazy hot today, and we are.
Slipped on my leg.
Look at the beach. Now, actually, this is a bay, right? And Abby's right there. So
we went late.
yeah, we're supposed to go to the beach, but then it was full. So now we're here at the bay. We are now at the bay, but it is still a lot of people. And look at the view. The bridge is over there. So meaning we have to go past that bridge thing, right? Supposed to be. So now we're gonna go swim. And we bought some water. And yeah, I think I'm gonna get tan today. I don't know. The view is so nice. And Abby, right now we are resting. You can go back. Have to rest first. Mommy, something cooked.
It's always good to wear that. Yeah, it gives you the protection. Like even in the Philippines, when it's like a lot of whatever, it's good. Not have to lie there. Actually, those stingers are good because if you put the thing on, it's just not gonna get sandy. Or like a cushion. Yeah. That's what I did the other day. I was just getting like a little sun. That's what I'm like. I don't want to be too tan either.
Me too, because
I tan so easily. This is like Saturday and Sunday last week, and I look at my face. They're like, "Oh, the sun hits me." Like this is the end of that conversation.
This is a Gulaman in Philippines. We can eat this here. Wow. This is the Gulaman, right?
I know about that.
Yeah.
You have a baby, but I don't know about that one.
Yeah, it is a Gulaman that you can eat. Right? This is like guso. So this is guso, right? Guso. And I got, oh, so sad. Look, oh, I got this one. What is this one? Is a. This one is a coral reef, right? It's a coral reef. Coral reefs.
Get away from me.
So now I feel like I'm in the Philippines because I got this. Look. Seagrass. I have a lot. This is seagrass in New York. So okay. And I got this. This is guso. This is gulaman. What is that smell?
I don't think it's eatable.
Yeah, I think you can eat it. Let's try it. Right. Look. Yeah, you can eat it. We are back here in the car right now. And we're going to Moses Park. We're gonna leave here. Hopefully have a nice day today. We're leaving. So hi my loves. Right now, we're here. We're heading to the beach because the one we went to earlier, it was the bay. So the water is not like nice, but we went swimming there. We're gonna check out the beach here so we can come here tomorrow early morning. So yun lang mga my loves. So that's the water my loves. Big wave. Looks nice.
I think 2 and 3 is better than 4.
Hi my loves. Right now we are going home. It's tiring.
Today can we buy goggles?
Goggles. I think it's nice if we have a tent over there. Right?
We need to buy
It's really nice. So we have so much fun over there. So hi my loves. Today we are going back to the beach because yung kahapon nasa bay lang kami tapos nung nagpunta kami sa beach, ang ganda. So ito yung weekend spend namin. And today kasama ko na si Mr. Vergara kasi nga kahapon hindi siya nakasama namin dahil may trabaho siya. So ngayon kasama na siya sa pagpunta namin sa beach. At saka ang ganda, pero mas maganda pa rin ang Pilipinas kasi yung water sa atin very clear. Pero dito medyo may pagka-green. Hindi siya clear, crystal clear. So yun lang, at least, di ba? Ayun, so we're gonna enjoy our day today. I'm trying to vlog like every week, but sometimes I get too busy my love. So yun, gusto ko lang kayong kumustahin, namimiss ko kayo lahat. Ayan. So yun my loves, see you at the beach. There you go, my loves. As you can see, we're at the beach now. And go to the stair. Water.
You walk in the water.
Yeah. It's a lot of people already, and today, right now, it's like 9 o'clock. We start leaving the house like 7, and it's really packed already. Like people excited to go to the beach. That's why. Hi, baby. So that's the beach. And it's really nice. How is it?
Fun. I haven't been to the beach in a while. Should have wore a tighter under. I didn't down my way.
heading home. We had so much fun over there. It's really tiring day. Yesterday we went to the beach. Only Gilsar, he didn't come with us because he's working. So me, I'm pretty tired because like 2 days straight going to the beach. It's crazy, and I feel like I look tan now.
I got sand in my teeth.
So we had so much fun, my loves. Yun lang mga my loves. Thanks again for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!